Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good afternoon, everybody. This lecture will be about argon plasma coagulation in bronchoscopy. But first, let me revise last talk about contact electrocautery. As I say, it is two types, monopolar and bipolar. Bipolar doesn't need grounding electrode because the electrical current returns to the machine through the electrode itself, while monopolar need grounding electrode to allow the electrical current pass through it, return back to the diathermy unit. And I mentioned all electrocautery bronchoscopy, either contact or non-contact, is monopolar electrocautery. Also, I said that low voltage and high current setting will cause coagulation, while high voltage and low current will cause carbonization or cutting. A mix between two effects, it's called blend effect or blend mode, and that most electrocautery devices used via the bronchoscope, it uses a blend mode of cut and coagulation. About argon plasma coagulation is non-contact electrocautery that can be delivered through flexible bronchoscopy. So argon plasma coagulation is similar to spray coagulation, in which the electrical arc created between electrode and tissue conducted via a cloud of ionized gas, continuously flowing from the tip of the probe. Other definition of argon plasma coagulation that is use ionized argon gas for conducting electrode to spray large tissue surface in non-contact fashion, resulting in superficial homogeneous coagulative necrosis. What you need to do APC is a suitable high-frequency current generator and source of argon gas, and return electrode and flexible delivery catheter containing monopolar treatment probe. You see the four items here in this draw: the generator system of argon gas and the flexible catheter allowing the flow of gas, and the grounding pad. The treatment catheter is made from Teflon tube, which is typically from 1.5 to up to 2.3 millimeter in diameter. Contains thin wire. The wire conducts the high frequency current to the tip of the catheter, where it ends in tungsten electrode. The computer controlled high frequency generator sent high voltage and high frequency current to the electrode, while the argon is delivered along the catheter at flow rate of 0.3 to 2 liter per minute. So this draw show electrode of 1.5 mm containing a wire inside it and gas flowing to the tissue. The argon plasma produced at the tip of the catheter is emerged from the probe either by side of the probe or the top of the probe. This is some type of argon plasma catheters. The distance between tip of the APC probe and tissue in the bronchial tissue is 0.5 to 1 centimeter, and the distance between tip of the APC probe and the tip of the bronchoscope is 0.5 to 1 centimeter also. This is the electric generator of argon plasma coagulation, containing non-contact spray mode and monopolar cut mode. The depth of coagulation, which is about 2 to 3 millimeter after 2 second application. This makes APC very safe in the bronchial because avoiding perforation of bronchial airway. So APC is safe and superficial and cannot going to injure or affect the endobronchial cartilage. About setting in APC generator, you set the power between 40 to 60 watt. Remember to keep FiO2 below 40, especially during firing of the argon gas. The indication of APC mainly is treatment of hemoptysis caused by endobronchial tumor or any endobronchial pathology. The second thing is the debulking of endobronchial tumor, both benign and malignant tumor. And the last indication is debulking of granulation tissue formed by foreign body or stenting. Thank you for listening and watching this video.